Vermont is.
Ready? Hey!
I was born here, and I've lived here for all my life. So sometimes it's hard for me to point out the things that are so special about Vermont. Vermont is all I know. Here's what I know Vermont is. Vermont is 2 cold winters and sugar on snow. Vermont is small towns where everyone knows each other. Vermont is warm summer nights and freshwater lakes. Vermont is the flowers that bloom in spring and the leaves that change color in autumn. Vermont is nature walks with your loved ones. Vermont is the sound of birds singing a song. Vermont is abandoned buildings and covered bridges. Vermont is watching the clouds pass by. Vermont is playing outside with friends and family. Vermont is flannels and not pronouncing T's in the ends of words. Vermont is nature, and Vermont is beauty. But above all, Vermont is home.